So hello and welcome back to the second part in this series, my visit to Stuttgart. This time we're going to be looking at the hotel we're staying at, which is the V8 Hotel, the V8 Motorworld. Now we're going to have a little look for the reception, we're going to show you a little bit of room tour and also some of the other amazing facilities that they have at this place. Now it has to be one of my favourite hotel receptions I've ever been to. That's a fantastic classic Mercedes dealership, which you could have left me there for the 4 days and I would have found that thoroughly entertaining. However, there's a lot more to the hotel than this. Anyway, there's a Lamborghini just in the middle of the lobby area is fantastic. There's also another area with a gallery area down at the bottom there. They've got conference facilities, the restaurant and bar area just at the back there as well. So a lot more than just a hotel. We'll explore over the other side in the other building in a little bit more. And yes, that is a McLaren dealership at the corner of the reception area. So we are 522, which is somewhere down here. Nice picture of Mert, they must know me quite well. It's on the 5th floor. So that's where we've just been, over there. There's a Mercedes dealership over there. What's interesting, over at the back there, you probably can't quite see, is actually a Mercedes factory. A little star on the top. We can't see for there, it actually spins round. I think this is like the Mercedes little sort of area. A bit of what I think is wall art, and this is where we are, 522. No idea what to expect. Bathroom, that's a bit so that's a bit saucy. Oh, they did put we're celebrating a birthday, so I think they've actually gone to town. That's really nice. That's barn ideas right there, that is. Oof, I say it's a bit rude, isn't it? A little bit of humour. Oh, a little bit of Prosecco, a few balloons, which is nice. Very nice view. However, the sort of pièce de résistance is obviously this. Obviously you've got Otto diesel Benz at the top. And this obviously at some point, the W116 S-Class. That's just so different. I think we're going to have a little bit of an explore. Look, even the coffee table is actual wheel off a Mercedes. That's so nice. You've got sombrero alloys, very familiar with me. And even the coffee tables are even slightly later design alloys. Yes, I like it a lot. So I thought I'd finish off, but couldn't quite find the lights, just you had to plug your key card in. Proves me. Little bathroom tour, a separate shower. Right, scantily clad ribbon, so viewer discretion is advised. I've just found another new feature, I think it's on both of these, that window and this one. You can actually open it up. And there's like a little that you can stand on if you're brave enough. And that's a actual piece of glass to stop you falling to certain death. Overlooking a nice Porsche museum, Porsche showroom rather. Yes, nice little thing. It's like a big shopping centre over there. So you can see the train station in, and beyond that's a massive shopping centre. So we've just found another feature. There you go, still lights on the car. Come on, little sort of side lights. Isn't that just cool? Now, just after we checked in, we did go for a little walk around. I couldn't help but spot this W116 280 SE in the car park. Obviously, this is the one that was based on our bed, so just interesting it happened to be there. Now, it's not just this room that's a theme room. They do have lots of other rooms at the hotel with various different themes. They also do have standard rooms as well. So let's go and have a potter over the road to their separate building, which is this one, sort of Art Deco inspired building, just opposite. Now inside you'll find almost like what I can describe as a car mall. So it's a mall for all things car related. They have Maserati dealerships, there's all sorts of service areas as well. So you can go in, particularly Lamborghini dealers we'll come to in a bit, has their service area actually in the middle of this mall, which lots of glass panels around it so you can actually see it and see what they're doing. Another big part of the area here is this car storage area. I think some of these cars are for sale, some are storage, so it's a bit of a mixture, but as you can see there's quite an eclectic collection of cars here. One of my favourite things about this place is that you can just have a wander around, no one's going to bother you, it's free to enter, it's open I think from about 10 till 8 I believe, and you can just wander around to your heart's content. Now I certainly didn't expect to wander around the corner and find one of these. Now this does actually appear to be a genuine Black Series C63. Now this is the first of the workshop areas that you can view, and they're actually genuinely working on these cars. It's not just a stage. You actually can see them working the cars and doing all maintenance to them. Now this is one of the most impressive areas of the whole complex. This is the workshop area for Lamborghini dealership they have on site. And as you can see, there's quite a wide collection of cars in there. I dread to think how many millions of euros worth of cars are actually just sat here. Now, if you are here, please make sure you wander over the road to the local Ferrari dealership as well. Now, if you do stay here, it's about 5-10 minutes walk to the local train station. It's quite a good connected train station. You can go to the Porsche Museum, you can go over to the Mercedes Museum, and also into Stuttgart city centre itself. The only slight issue we did have while staying here, we did book a late checkout, which is till 5 PM. We did pay for this. And on the day, they did try and get us to go out the room early because they had someone checking into that particular room. Obviously, being a theme room, we don't have that many of them. However, we did have to sort of put our foot down and say, no, we're not leaving till 5 o'clock because we haven't got a plane to catch till 10 o'clock, so we do need to stay in the room. That was my own little minor little thing that I did try and go back on that. But overall, we really did enjoy our stay here. This is such a fantastic place to stay. There's so much to see and do just on site, let alone without going to Stuttgart and doing all the other things that you can do. So absolutely thoroughly recommended. And if you are looking for a place to stay in Stuttgart, this is definitely a place to consider.